Hi, pipe just burst under my sink. Water is everywhere. I need someone out here tonight.
Hi, this is Jennifer with Roberts and Sons Plumbing. How can I help you today?
Hi, yeah, my pipe just burst under my sink. Water's everywhere. I really need one of you guys to come out as soon as possible. I know it's late, but what can you guys do for me?
I'm so sorry to hear about the burst pipe. That sounds stressful. I'll make sure a team member gets back to you quickly to assist with this emergency. Let me grab a few details to get things moving. Can I start with your name, please?
Yeah. My name is Mark.
Thanks, Mark. That's M-A-R-K, right?
Yeah.
Got it, Mark. Could you also share your address so we know where to send someone?
Yeah, my address is 1234 Apple Street.
Thanks, so that's 1234 Apple Street, right?
Yes.
Perfect, Mark. I'll make sure a team member reaches out to you promptly to assist with your burst pipe. Hang in there and we'll get this sorted for you. Have a safe day.
Your receptionist sleeps. Agent AI answers at 2 a.m. Books the appointment, sends confirmation. Plumber wakes up to a fully booked calendar. Never misses an emergency call again. Call us now and never miss an emergency call again.